Magistrum docentem in horto viderunt. Magistrum is the accusative singular of magister, magistri, the second declension noun meaning teacher. Since it is in the accusative, it is the object of the verb, so we go to the verb viderunt, from the second conjugation verb video videre, meaning to see. Here, in the third person plural, perfect, active indicative, they saw. Thus, they saw the teacher. Docentem is the present participle modifying magistrum. Participles in Latin are what are known as verbal adjectives, simply taking a verb and making an adjective from it. Like all adjectives, they modify nouns and match in gender, case, and number. The present participle is formed from the present stem, which is the second principal part, the infinitive, with the final re removed. Here from doceo docere, the second conjugation verb meaning to teach, we get doce as the stem, to which we add ns for the nominative singular and nt with third declension endings for the rest, as follows. Thus, present participles are third declension adjectives. Notice that participles put an I in the genitive plural and neuter nominative and accusative plurals, and that the neuter accusative singular is docanes, as you would expect. Present participles are translated as ing verbs in English, as in docentem, meaning teaching. Note that we say these are present participles, but that means they represent the action happening at the same time as that of the main verb. Here, the main verb is in the perfect tense. Docentem is accusative singular, modifying magistrum, the direct object of the verb, so docentem is describing the action of the teacher. Horto is the ablative singular of hortus, horti, the second declension masculine noun meaning park or garden, here with the preposition in. Magistrum docentem in horto viderunt. They saw the teacher teaching in the park.